Hello students, today's hormone is abscisic acid. Abscisic acid, this abscisic acid is the growth inhibiting hormone. Growth inhibiting hormone means this hormone inhibits the growth or it retards the growth. Okay, this abscisic acid the first time found in or observed in the cotton plant in 1961 to 1965. These Carnes and Adicott, they observed that shedding of cotton balls is due to the substance abscissin 1 and abscissin 2. These abscissin 1 and abscissin 2 was found in the cotton plant, and these chemicals abscissin 1 and abscissin 2 is found by the Carnes and Adicott. They observed these chemicals abscissin 1 and abscissin 2 in the cotton plant, and shedding of cotton balls is due to these substance abscissin 1 and abscissin 2. Okay, therefore these two identical chemical substance, both the abscissin 1 and abscissin 2 are the identical chemicals, and they are responsible for the shedding of cotton balls. Okay, these two identical chemical substances were given a common name as abscisic acid. They were given a common name abscisic acid, means abscissin 1 and abscissin 2, these are the abscisic acid. And this abscisic acid is generally synthesized in the leaves, in plant organs like leaves, fruits, roots and seed. Okay, when synthesis takes place, synthesis of this hormone abscisic acid, which is the growth inhibiting hormone, are synthesized in leaves, fruits, roots and seed. Okay, which retards the growth. This particular hormone retards the growth, that's why it is called as growth inhibiting hormone. And chemically this abscisic acid, it is the 15 carbon compound. 15 carbon, that is sesquiterpenoid. Sesquiterpenoid, this is the chemical compound. 15 carbon sesquiterpenoid, and it is synthesized from the mevalonic acid. It is synthesized from the mevalonic acid. Okay, this is regarding the abscisic acid. Now see, the abscisic acid shows the physiological effect in the plants, certain physiological effects and certain applications are here of our abscisic acid. The first physiological effect is that it promotes the abscission of leaves or falling of leaves or aging of leaves. Okay, and induce the dormancy. It induces the dormancy. Abscission of means main physiological effect is that it promotes the abscission and it promotes the crenation. Both the aging processes takes place because this hormone retards the growth of the plant. Okay, that's why it promotes the abscission of leaves and induce the dormancy in plants. It controls the dormancy in bird as well as in seed, bird and seed, by inhibiting the growth process. Means it will prevent the germination. It will prevent the germination of bud. Okay, it accelerates the senescence in leaves and flower and fruits. Okay, this hormone is abscisic acid. This hormone is growth retarding hormone or growth inhibiting hormone. That's why both the processes, abscission and senescence in the plant takes place, or both the processes are promoted by this hormone. Okay, next physiological effect is it inhibits the cell division. Cell elongation. Okay, and suppress the cambium activity by inhibiting mitosis. Okay, cambium activity, formation of the cambium or the formation of the cambium takes place due to the division and redivision of the cells. Okay, and division takes place with the help of mitosis. Mitotic division is there. Okay, the cambium, formation of cambium in plants, that is a secondary growth in plants. Okay, now this cambium, formation of cambium is due to the division and redivision of the cells or cell division of the cells. Okay, this cell division is inhibited by this hormone. That's why this hormone inhibits cell division, cell elongation, and suppress the cambium activity. Cambium activity is totally based on the cell division, because the cambium cells divides and redivides to form structure. Okay, that is the cambium. Next, abscisic acid could cause the efflux of sodium ion from the guard cells. Efflux of the sodium means that sodium ions from the guard cells are moved, which results into the closure of stomata. Closure of stomata. If suppose the stomata is closed, then the transpiration will stop. Okay, that's why this hormone abscisic acid is called as anti-transpirant. Okay, because transpiration process takes place through the stomata. Transpiration takes place through the stomata. Means the water vapor or the particular water is lost through the stomata. When the stomata is closed, that transpiration will stop. That's why this abscisic acid helps in the closing of stomata. That's why it is called as anti-transpirant. That's why it is called as anti-transpirant. Next, this abscisic acid acts as a stress hormone. Stress hormone by inducing the plant to bear adverse climatic conditions. Okay, it acts as a stress hormone, means it promotes the plant to survive in the adverse climatic condition. To survive in the adverse climatic conditions means it promotes the plant to survive in bad climatic conditions or adverse climatic conditions. Okay, that's why it is also called as stress hormone. It is also called as abscisic acid is also called as stress hormone, because it makes the plant more fit in adverse climatic conditions. Okay, and last one, it inhibits the flowering in long day plants. It inhibits the flowering. Okay, and it stimulates the flowering in short day plants. म्हणजेच काय की लॉंग डे प्लांट्समध्ये फ्लावरिंगला स्टॉप केलं जातं किंवा फ्लावरिंग प्रोसेसला काय इनिबिट केलं जातं. शॉर्ट डे प्लांट्समध्ये हा हार्मोन काय करतो, त्याच्या विरुद्ध इफेक्ट याच्या शॉर्ट डे प्लांटमध्ये दिसतो. इट स्टिम्युलेट्स द फ्लावरिंग. इन लॉंग डे प्लांट्स इट इनिबिट्स द फ्लावरिंग. इन शॉर्ट डे प्लांट्स इट स्टिम्युलेट्स द फ्लावरिंग. Okay, this is regarding the abscisic acid and physiological effect and applications of the abscisic acid. Okay, this is a natural growth inhibiting hormone. Okay, thank you.